Rocky can do things no ordinary dump truck can do, though. He can transform.
Let's get to work.
Loves to work, so we load him up.
This is an easy one.
He has sensors in the bed, so he can tell when you put something in the back. Also in his wheels, so he knows